So we've only talked about doing ups and down bows and playing one note per bow, but you can play two notes using the same direction of the bow. These are called stopped or hooked bows. Put the bow on the D string and pull a down bow. Leave the bow on the string and then pull another down bow note. That's a hooked bow. We can also do this up bow. So play that open D with an up bow, stop it on the string, and then play another up bow. Good. Let's try this two notes on a down bow and two notes on an up bow with the rhythm quarter, rest, quarter, rest. I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. You can also do this with your A major scale. So we'll shift into third position for this A major scale. Rather than resting between each hooked note, we're going to try and do this just playing the notes directly in a row, like this. So there's a small space where you stop the bow between each note, but it still falls directly on every beat. Let's try that scale together. I'll count us in and repeat the top A, and we'll come back down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, let's try another exercise. We'll play broken thirds. We do this by playing the first and the third note of the A major scale, the second and the fourth, the third and the fifth, and so on and so forth until we reach the top of the scale. Let's play this together now. Each note will play two bows, and then move on to the next note and play two bows. For example, I'll count us in. We're playing eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Notice that to do the stop bow, I press the pressure in, relax the weight of my arm into the thumb, and then release between each note. On a French bow, you would do that with your first finger. Now you know how to do stopped bows.